Hi guys, welcome back to Sister Forever, and today I'm here with an amazing, juicy, tender chicken rotisserie recipe. So I have brined the chicken overnight. The reason of brining is it injects flavor and seasoning right away into the flesh of a whole chicken in a way that no other method can. For the brine, you will need salt and water, the only two ingredients that are non-negotiable. They are basically the base of the brine. Parsley, thyme, and rosemary. This is 100% optional. You can switch with other herbs or you could use dried. Peppercorns, and then last but not least, lemons, garlic, and bay leaves for flavor. This is also optional. When you take your chicken out from the brine, make sure to wash it. And now for the ingredients I am using are oil, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, garlic cloves, sumac, and this is Nando's peri peri sauce. This is a mild one. And the purple one is Nando's peri peri sauce garlic medium. So we have put our chicken in the freezer overnight so that the chicken can really absorb the marination. And now we are going to put it in the rotisserie to cook the chicken. Now we put our chicken in the rotisserie and are about to turn it on. And if you wish, you can put vegetables at the bottom here in the tray. And also we have some leftover marination here, as you can see. And we're going to cook the chicken for 1 hour, roughly around that time. And after half an hour and before taking out the chicken, we're going to brush on the marination on the chicken for flavor. Here we have how long we're going to set the chicken to cook. Right now we're doing 1 hour, and here we have no heat rotation, pause to sear, and normal rotation. Right now we are doing normal rotation. I would like to give a sear on both sides of our chicken for 2 to 3 minutes, and our rotisserie has a very good function where we can pause to sear. And now, that is what I'm going to do right now so that both sides get a very good sear. And by the way, to answer your question, I have 10. See, it paused the rotation. It will give the chicken crispy skin. chicken is ready, guys. It looks so good. It looks juicy. It looks crispy. And I'm so excited to try it. It smells amazing. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn post notifications so you get notified every time I post another video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to share with friends and family. And bye, guys.